Hello, everyone. Welcome to Level Up English with Guy. Do you want to speak English in real-life situations? You're in the right place. Today, you'll learn simple English conversations that you can use in everyday life. These sentences are easy to remember and perfect for beginners. Let's start. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Nice to meet you. I just moved here.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Conversation 2. At the bus stop. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Conversation 3. At the doctor's clinic. Good afternoon. I have a headache.
I see. How long have you had it?
Since this morning.
Okay, please take this medicine after meals.
Thank you, doctor.
Conversation 3. At work.
Good morning. Did you finish the report?
Yes, I finished it last night.
Great. Can you send it to me?
Sure, I'll send it now.
Thanks a lot.
Conversation 5. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like chicken and rice, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Conversation 6. At the coffee shop. Good morning. What would you like?
I'd like a small coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Conversation 7. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bank?
It's across the street.
Is it far?
No, it's only a 5-minute walk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Conversation 8. At the pharmacy. Hello, I need some cough medicine.
Is it for an adult or a child?
It's for an adult.
This one should help.
Thank you. Conversation 9. At the airport. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight. Conversation 10. At the hotel. Hello, I have a reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah Lee.
Here's your room key.
Thank you very much.
Quick practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you? Nice to meet you. Where can I find milk? Excuse me. Does this bus go to the city center? I have a headache. Please take this medicine. Did you finish the report? I'd like chicken and rice, please. Thank you. You're welcome. Great job.
Congratulations! You learned 5 easy English conversations for real-life situations. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every conversation helps you improve your English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next English lesson. Thank you for watching Level Up English with Guy. See you in the next video. Bye.